Bacho, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fine. So let's start the new topic, our rich culture heritage. So इसको जानने के लिए क्या करेंगे आप? Be ready with your pencil to underline the important points. So let's get started. Answer the following questions. इन questions के answers आपको देने हैं. Read the questions and answer them. Indian culture is one of the oldest in the world. Our vibrant culture is the evolved product of diversity in languages, dances, music, paintings and architecture. This diversity has enriched Indian culture as a whole. Let's take a look at India's rich heritage and culture. तो आइए एक नज़र डालते हैं. Our languages in our country there are 22 official languages listed at the constitution. Almost all languages have different dialects. Dialects are different forms of that same language showing local variations. There are over 800 languages and dialects spoken in India. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in India. It is spoken and understood by a large number of people in India. तो सबसे ज़्यादा हमारे देश के लोग हिंदी जानते हैं. Each language has its unique accent and writing style known as script. Most languages are written from left to right except for Urdu, Sindhi and Kashmiri which are written from right to left. तो सारी लैंग्वेजेस जैसे कि आपने पढ़ा कहाँ से कहाँ लेफ़्ट टू राइट प्रोसीड करती हैं, लेकिन ये जो 3 लैंग्वेजेस हैं उर्दू, सिंधी और कश्मीरी ये राइट टू लेफ़्ट जाती हैं. संस्कृत एंड तमिल आर अमंग द ओल्डेस्ट लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ इंडिया. टेबल शोइंग द 22 ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस इन इंडिया. तो आइए रीड करते हैं. असमीज़, बंगाली, बोडो, डोगरी, गुजराती, हिंदी, कन्नड़ा, कश्मीरी, कोंकणी, मैथिली, मलयालम, मणिपुरी, मराठी, नेपाली, ओडिया, पंजाबी, संस्कृत, सनथली and Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Okay, so I hope you have noted down these languages. So now try to answer. Write the official languages of the following states. Our dresses. Every state in India has its own style of dressing. People dress in keeping with the climate of that area. Women typically wear salwar kameez and sarees. However, they are worn differently in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. So, हर state का अपना अपना अलग dressing style है बच्चों. Women in cities wear different dresses such as skirts, jeans, trousers and shirts. Ghagra is famous in Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat and many parts of Madhya Pradesh. Women like to cover their heads with the दुपट्टा और चुनरी. तो इन सब स्टेट्स में घाघरा तो बहुत फेमस है और बहुत पॉपुलर ड्रेस है ना. और वो अपना सर कैसे ढकती हैं? चुनरी से. इन सिटीज मैन वियर शर्ट्स एंड पैंट्स. लुंगी इज पॉपुलर इन केरला एंड तमिलनाडु. Traditional dresses like achkan, dhoti kurta, angarakha and waistcoat are still worn by men in rural areas. The tribals of Nagaland wear shawls. आपने देखा भी होगा उन्हें shawls ओढ़े हुए. And we can recognize the tribe by the special design of their shawls. People wear long woolen kurta in Kashmir called firan. हाँ जी बच्चों, जो कश्मीर के लोग हैं वो बहुत लंबा सा एक गरम कुर्ता पहनते हैं जो लूज़ होता है ना, आपने देखा भी होगा, उसे फिरन कहा जाता है. वी हैव डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स ऑफ टाइंग द टर्बन इन डिफरेंट स्टेट्स. तो आपने पगड़ी बांधे हुए देखा है ना बहुत सारे लोगों को. तो हर स्टेट का अलग अलग स्टाइल होता है पगड़ी बांधने का. आओ अब अपने डांसेस के बारे में बात करते हैं. आर डांसेस. India has a wide range of dance forms that performed on various occasions, whether religious or social. Folk and classical dances are very popular in India. Most classical dances begin as rendering of worship and nowadays everyone enjoys them. Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu, Kathak of Uttar Pradesh, Kathakali of Kerala, Kuchipudi of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri of Manipur, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam of Kerala, Odissi of Odisha, and Yakshakan of Karnataka are some of the major classical dance forms. तो बच्चों आप क्या करेंगे, इनका एक टेबल बना लीजिए और जो जो डांस फॉर्म जहाँ जिस स्टेट की फेमस है उसको उसके नीचे लिखिए. Folk dances are performed by groups of people to express their choice. They are performed on occasions like weddings, birth of a child, festivals or harvesting of crops. Some of them are Bhangra of Punjab, Bihu of Assam, Garba of Gujarat and Ghumar of Rajasthan. Folk dances of tribals of Nagaland, Mizoram and Meghalaya are very colorful. तो जब भी कोई खुशी का मौका होता है तो डांसेस तो होने हैं. तो हर स्टेट का अपना अपना एक अलग डांस है जो आप खुशी को जाहिर करने के लिए करते हैं. आर म्यूज़िक नाउ, अब हम लोग बात करते हैं जो हमारे देश में, हाँ जी, म्यूज़िक यानी हमारी जान. जो कुछ लोगों को म्यूज़िक बहुत पसंद है. क्या आपको म्यूज़िक पसंद है? आइए जानते हैं इसके बारे में. क्लासिकल म्यूजिक वाज वंस यूज्ड टू द प्लेड इन टेम्पल्स एंड एट द कोर्ट्स ऑफ इंडियन kings in ancient times. Hindustani music which originated in northern India and Carnatic music which originated in southern India are the two main styles of classical music. Some of the musical instruments are used in classical music. Some of the musical instruments कौन से musical instruments है जो use होते हैं? वीणा, सरोद, फ्लूट, मृदंगम, सितार, तबला and harmonium. Our country has produced outstanding vocalists and instrumentalists such as Tansen at Emperor Akbar's court, Pandit Jasraj singer, Ustad Zakir Hussain tabla, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia flute, Ustad Amjad Ali Khan sarod and Ustad Bismillah Khan Shenai. M.S. Subbalakshmi singer, Kishori Amonkar singer among others are some well-known Indian musicians. Now we will read about our architecture. So India has a long history of architecture and urban planning. Buddhism became the basis of building of many stupas. The magnificent stupas of Sanchi and Sarnath were built by Emperor Ashoka and his successors. Later, other temples with magnificent carvings were built, and the Kailash temple at Ellora was carved from a single stone. The Sun temple in Konark, Meenakshi temple in Madurai, Khajuraho temple in Madhya Pradesh and the Jain temple of Mount Abu are also famous for their architecture. तो आप इनको देखेंगे तो आपको देखते ही ऐसा लगेगा कि कैसे इतनी अच्छा आर्किटेक्चर, कैसे कौन से ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने इसे बनाया होगा, बहुत ही बारीकी से बनाया है. The Turks and Mughals introduced their own style of architecture. The Taj Mahal with its dome and minarets and is a unique example. The Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Jama Masjid and Humayun Tomb in Delhi are some other examples of this form of art. The British brought a new style of architecture in India. The Victoria Memorial in Kolkata and the Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Parliament House in Delhi are some of the beautiful buildings since the British times. Goa's churches are the finest examples of Portuguese architecture. The lotus-shaped Bahai Temple and Akshardham Temple in New Delhi, Vidhan Sudha in Bengaluru are well-known examples of modern Indian architecture. Knowledge booster बच्चों, the Ajanta caves were built over a period of 800 years from the 2nd century BC to 6th century AD. Are paintings. Yes bachcho, now let's read about paintings. Every humans used to draw pictures on the cave walls. With the passage of time, the art of painting improved. Ajanta caves in Maharashtra have some of the best paintings. They are in bright colors and tell us about the lifestyles of those times. In the past, rulers would promote artists in their respective kingdoms. The Persian or Islamic style of painting was introduced by, they are introduced in India by Mughal kings Akbar and Jahangir. Many new styles of modern painting have emerged in India. Some followed and improved on old traditions, while others adopted new techniques and gave them a new form. In modern times, Jamini Roy, Nandalal Bose, and Dr. M.F. Hussain have made India proud in the world of painting. Knowledge booster. English is an additional official language of India known as subsidiary official language. Let's wrap up, bachcho. India culture is one of the oldest in the world, and our vibrant culture is evolved the product of diversity in languages, dances, music, paintings and architecture. In our country there are 22 official languages. Almost all the languages have their different dialects reflecting local variations. Every state has its own style of dressing. People dress in keeping with the climate of that area. The folk and classical dances are very popular in India. Most classical dances begin as a rendering to worship. Classical music was used to be played in temples and at the courts of Indian kings in ancient times. India has a long history of architecture and urban planning. Buddhism became the basis of building of many stupas. Early humans used to draw pictures on the cave walls. Checkpoints, बच्चों. It's your turn now. A part की टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. आपको एक करेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज करना है और उसे टिक करना है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द करेक्ट आंसर. बच्चों, इस ब्लैंक को फिल करने के लिए यू हैव टू टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर चैप्टर. गो एंड चेक द स्टेटमेंट एंड गेट द वर्ड. नेम द फॉलोइंग. आपको इनका एक नाम देना है बच्चों इन सी पार्ट. आंसर द क्वेश्चंस इन ब्रीफ एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस इन डिटेल. ब्रीफ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आप 3 to 4 लाइन्स में लिख सकते हैं और डिटेल में आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन देना पड़ेगा जो कि आप चैप्टर की हेल्प से कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दीज क्वेश्चंस आर चैप्टर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. होट्स, व्हाई इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट टू लर्न अबाउट आवर हेरिटेज? थिंक अबाउट. सोर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. रीड द बिलो गिवन पैराग्राफ एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो. तो आप ये पैराग्राफ पढ़िए, उसके बेस पे आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं, उनको आंसर करिए. वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. लाइफ स्किल्स. टॉक टू योर peer group and other students of your class and hold a discussion on the need to preserve our historical monuments and buildings. Knowledge of India. Name a few famous musicians, both vocal and instrumental, of India. Project activity बच्चों. Prepare a PowerPoint presentation on various forms and styles of dance, music, painting and architecture of India. Show that presentation in your class. Write the main language spoken in the following states. तो आपको state के according language बतानी है. If given a choice between visiting a place known for its natural heritage or a place famous for its cultural heritage, which place would you prefer to visit and why? बताइए कौन सा place जाना आप पसंद करेंगे, visit करना आप पसंद करेंगे. And while choosing, have fun, enjoy.